Okay, you're not a number, you're a person. You're a... Tell me what you are again.
A holistic vocal coach.
What does that mean?
I'm a vocal coach, I work holistically.
Give me an example.
I take into account people's body,
Yeah.
people's emotions,
Yeah.
people's thoughts, and people's energy.
And who have you taught who's been successful?
Well, Matt Tuck from Bullet for My Valentine.
Right? And I obviously believe that you think you can win this, yeah?
Of course.
Yeah.
Could you stand on the X, please, Is there a problem with that? No. There's not a problem with that. But can I get on with singing, please?
Yes? I'm in the area, you do whatever you want.
Okay.
That was a complete and utter nightmare.
The idea behind it was that you get to understand that every line is a different style. Okay?
I
If you want me to
don't...
sing you something else, I
I
will.
don't
Do you know,
care.
if I came to you for holistic vocally, I would be scared of you. You're actually really quite scary. By the way you walked over to me, I thought we were going to have a scrap. You've obviously never been a rock singer, love. No.
No, but Aaron, it was a nightmare. I don't care what you were trying to do. It was just horrific. The song was atrocious. Everything, even the hair.
A song, the piece that I had just performed to you.
It wasn't a piece.